back to the channel, everyone. My name's Evan. We've got a good one for you today. We're going to be using my truck to try and pull out this tin horn that has been buried underneath all this overgrowth for about 10 years. We moved into our house, and it was actually a new construction project, and we never had this tin horn put in, so it's been lying here getting covered up by blackberry bushes and all kinds of overgrowth, as you can see. So I've got my straps laid out. We're going to hook it up to the truck, and we're going to see if we'll be able to pull it out. This is going to be a test of traction today, because it's been raining. The grass is really wet, and as you can see, the hooks are set up, but they're short. So we're going to be testing out the four-wheel drive system on it today. So I'm going to go get the truck, and we're going to have some fun. I'm going to put it in four-wheel now. Not a problem. It didn't even struggle. But as you can see, there are a lot of blackberry vines all wrapped around there. Straps held. I don't even think we spun any at all. So I'm going to readjust the straps, try and get closer over here to get this last part out. Alright, I'm about to get the hooks set up again and try and make one more pull to get this out. right, as you can see, we got it out. No problem. Got some vines still tangled in. But 10 years of overgrowth. Not a slip of the wheel. Did amazing. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. We've got more coming for you. Thanks a lot.